Okay, thank you very much. And now that leads me to another question, because probably one of the hindrances why people really don't go to the alternative is because of the cost. So would you like just highlight as in how much has it been from like initial stage up to the commissioning?
Okay. For this
including
system,
the cost of the products, maybe just the lump sum amount.
Yeah, the lump sum amount is coming to 160,000 for this system.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. So now, if you look at this system, it has got a life of over 15 years.
Yeah.
So if we look at the energy requirements...
That is on the batteries.
Yes, on the battery, even on the inverters can live as far as possible, because we are there to support. Without any maintenance, the inverters can live up to 5 years.
Okay.
Yes. So within 0 to 5 years, there is need to have a service. So we have the service kits for these inverters to actually make them
go more than 5 years.
And then the other thing that also has to be considered is that this sums up to 10,000, but it will be operating below 50% capacity. So that also in itself adds to the life of the power electronics that is in the inverters. And then one thing that we also did is we did a calculation for the 15 years that we anticipate this system to reach, and even beyond. The cost comes to about 900 Zambian kwacha per month to the client. But if we are to take what will be here and take it on the utility, the client has got to spend about 1,500 to 1,700 worth of electricity every month. So already is saving on the investments that he has.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is good. And just for a layman's sake, this system, which is the 17.6 kilowatt hour, if you had to take it into a rural community, and basing on the average load that is expected in the rural community, how many houses can it connect?
In a rural setup, we can actually connect about 20 to 30 houses. 20 to 30 houses.
Okay.
That's on average, looking at the average load. But if we take the lowest part of the load, we can actually even connect more people.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.